Welcome back to CAD/CAM tutorial. Today we are going to create this simple plastic stool mold in SolidWorks, and we will create this core and cavity in SolidWorks. So let's see how to create in SolidWorks with the help of mold tool. We have 2D drawing also. Let's try to make this one. So this is your plastic tool design, and we are going to create first this part, then we will make a mold with the help of this part, core and cavity. So this is the 300 by 200 is width. See here on the top corner dimension 200 300, and height is 100 millimeter, but there is one draft angle 5 degree. Okay, then this corner radius we forget to mention, but that is 300 R30 actually. Then once we create this corner 10 millimeter radius. Now here in SolidWorks you can apply scene, you can change background, even though if you click manage and you can add it plain white. Unit also you can manage from right bottom millimeter. Now first operation we need to choose extruded boss base. Once you click, it will ask you which plane, so we will choose top plane. Now here select center rectangle. If I put center rectangle, see the dimension is going to appear. I'll simply press 200, press tab key, 300, enter. See, now here the option is sketch fillet. Let's say 30 millimeter, and I'll choose whole rectangle. Now see all the edges applied, same fillet. Okay, cancel, that's it. Now simply exit. Once you click exit, it will try to extrude. Now here end condition keep blind, and dimension 100 millimeter is height, make reverse. Okay, now draft angle is how much? 5 degree, but see it's going inside, so click here outward, draft outward. Okay, fillet 10 millimeter upper corner. Now here we need to cut, see 25 millimeter from top to 30, and here 120 25 millimeter. Then there is one, okay, let's do this. I'll choose front plane, this is the center plane. Sketch, let me choose here line, and I'll start from this point to here, this point, and close the geometry, because for cutting we need close geometry. Okay, now you will find, if you move your cursor, you will find a midpoint, connect to this point, right click. Why we choose? For reference purpose or for creating a relation, vertical construction geometry. Now this geometry at center point, (25 millimeter) and this 230 millimeter. See, exit, and simply choose extruded cut. In blind condition, keep through all both. See, it's going to cut in both sides. See, right plane is sketch, line, and in the same way I'll choose this point to here and close geometry, and origin point to midpoint of the line. See, click line, create two relation, vertical and construction geometry, a smart dimension. This length according to drawing 25, and the width 120 millimeter. Extruded cut. Now here also the same thing, either you can apply like this, direction to separate you can define. See, direction 1, even in direction 1 choose through all, direction 2 choose through all. Say okay, it's cut. Now here thickness 2 millimeter means we are going to use shell command to make a hollow part. Then there is a rib, all rib dimension 50 by 50. Okay, that's the thing. Use shell. Now here let's say thickness 2 millimeter. I'll select one, whatever backside possible edges we need to choose. Don't choose outside, only inside. If you want to show preview, if you see, you can see the outline of in yellow color. See, now on this top face sketch, now here we need to create rib. I'll select center line. Now let me choose here line. Escape, press L command on keyboard and again choose line. Escape. Now here if I'll choose these 3 construction line and 2 lines and click mirror entity, see it is mirror there. In the same way, if I choose these 2 lines, construction and main line, mirror entity, see it's mirror opposite side. Line, let me complete. Escape, again put line. Escape. Let's define the dimension. 50 millimeter, 50 millimeter. Now see the center distance is defined, but this is not going to attach. This is closed geometry and we are going to use rib command. So no need to define or this geometry. Let's see how. I'll choose rib. Here keep thickness both side 2 millimeter. See, let's see a proper view. Now here draft angle 1 degree outward. This is very important because if you are going to make a mold, it is important, draft angle. And see the arrow is going down. So going down means up to body. Now see. Now here missed. So simply edit sketch and drag it toward here. Exit. Now see, now all the walls are created. Fillet. I'll choose 10 millimeter and select all the edges. Now the beauty of this SolidWorks, you don't need to, even the hidden line will be visible. See here, no need to rotate your component. If I'll keep my cursor near the edge, over the edge, see, I don't need to rotate. See, that's it. All the edges are, this is 10 millimeter constant fillet we choose. Now our tool is created. This tool is created. Now right click, go to tabs and here click mold tools. Okay. Now we need to create a mold with the help of this. So go to mold. First we will choose draft analysis. We should identify that this is perfect or not. Okay, we will keep like this. Now first it is asking direction of pull. So this material it's going downward because this is upside cavity will come and core will come and bottom side will be cavity. So here we need to choose direction top plane. See, now here select face classification. Now this yellow face, see, this is need drafting, see, requires draft. Other negative and positive drafts are okay. So here change angle 0.25, this is calculated by manually. See the red and negative draft and positive draft, there is no required draft. Say okay, that's it. See, now undercut we don't need, simply come here, parting line, we need to define parting line. So I'll select parting line. Now here also we need to choose direction of pull, so top plane, see it's going downward. Angle, we will draft angle same what we applied on before, 0.25. Draft analysis, see it selected all the edges, see this is going to be a parting line. Say okay. Now this is the parting line which is going to separate the core and cavity. Okay. Now the next thing, we will choose parting surface. We need to create a parting surface on parting line which makes different the core and cavity, perpendicular to pull. Parting line here selected, here let's say 120 or something, which is going to fix your core and cavity. Now here sharp edges keep, okay. Now at the top face, because this is the top of line or part, so we will create sketch, center rectangle, and draw a rectangle from center point, that's it. Now press 300, tab, 400, enter. Okay, go to mold, exit, and here we will see, click tooling split. Now here core and cavity, see core cavity part both are going to be separate. Now this is the dimensions we already applied in during practice. So this is 130 downward, 40 millimeter upward, this is enough for this. Okay, now click hide surface, right click on parting line, hide. Now this outer edge need draft analysis, but we don't need for outer one, so just uncheck draft analysis. Now this is the our now let me save this. Desktop, create a new folder, plastic stool mold. Save. Now there is 3 bodies, 1, 2, 3. Right click, save bodies. Now here click auto assign. If you select auto assign, it will select all 3 bodies. Browse, and we need to create assembly also, and the location is same where we saved our part, SolidWorks assembly. Okay, say yes. Once you save yes, click yes, and it will going to save and build. Now let's check, see here assembly came. If you drop down the window menu, assembly, now look, this is the our assembly and all the parts also created. Let's use exploded view. Select this first part, take upward, done. Select bottom cavity, this is cavity, done. Okay, see this is core cavity and part is created. This is how we created. Even though if you want to right click, let's save this assembly. Okay, let me close, collapse, click, open first part. Okay, let's assign any color. I'll apply solid orange, close, save. The upper one, open part, I'll apply some different color, let's say yellow. Cancel. Now here now let's apply hole wizard, counter bore hole. Now comes down here, keep end condition blind. The first diameter 10, 40 and counter bore 20 and this one 10. Position, select the top face and select center point. Escape key and you will see the preview. Say OK. Now click save, cancel. Now the third part is center one, open, and this is the center one. Go to appearance, green, save. Now let's apply exploded view. First select the top one, drag upward, click done, select bottom one, done, okay. Now see, this is how this is upper one is cavity and the bottom one is core and the middle one is the part or plastic stool. So this is how we created a simple core and cavity or mold in SolidWorks. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.